Class 9th Construction Exercise 11.2 Question number 2. According to this question, it is given that construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 8 centimeter, angle B equals to 45 degree and AB minus AC equals to 3.5 centimeter. So for that, if we make the rough diagram of triangle ABC, so here BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and since AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter, so that means AB is greater than AC. So for that, first we will draw the base BC of 8 centimeter. Okay, now at point B we will make 45 degree. So first we will make the 90 degree. Then 120, then half of that, that is 90 degree, like this. Now for 45 degree we will just measure the angle and then we will take the angular bisector of this 90 degree. Okay, so in this way you will get 45 degree. Now difference of two sides is given 3.5. So with the help of the ruler and compass we will take 3.5 R. We will just draw from point B. So here you can see that we have measured the 3.5 of radius. Now we will just draw from the point B that 3.5 arc. Okay, now we will join this 2 points. This we can take as A dash. So A dash C we have joined. Okay, now we will just take the perpendicular bisector of this A dash C side. So to draw the perpendicular bisector, take the more than half as a radius, and then from point C we will just make 2 arcs, and then from A dash C also we will make the arc. Okay, now we will join them. So after joining we can see that A dash B also we will produce, and they will intersect at point this, and this is the point A. Now we will join AC, and this is suppose point D. So in this way triangle ABC are required triangle, and at point D it makes 90 degree, and since it is a angle perpendicular bisector, so A dash D and CD they are equal. So we will prove that triangle ADA dash and triangle ADC they are congruent by again in the same way SAS, because both are 90. AD is the common side and A dash D equals to CD. So SAS they will congruent, and then from CPCT A dash A equals to AC. So in triangle ADA dash and ADC, AD equals to AD common, and angle ADA dash equals to angle ADC. So here you can see that is 90 degree, and this A dash D equals to CD, since AD is the perpendicular bisector of A dash C AD. Okay, and therefore triangle ADA dash congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruency, and then from CPCT we will get AA dash equals to AC. So in construction we have taken A dash B as 3.5 centimeter. So A dash B is 3.5 centimeter, and A dash B can be written as AB minus AA dash equals to 3.5 centimeter, and since AA dash equals to AC, so AB, and in place of AA dash we can write AC equals to 3.5 centimeter, since AA dash equals to AC. So this is our required one. ultimately we can justify also that. So that's why we have made this type of construction.